right, Johan. What do you gotta say to the future kids?
Huh?
What do you gotta say to your future kids? Why you ain't got no money?
Why?
Why you ain't gonna have no money in the future?
I ain't you, bro. I'm gonna be saving my money, bro.
Saving your money? You only got like $500. Shut up. Look, this is why. He chose a bike over y'all. On God, on God.
Hey, bro. I'm still single, bro. I don't gotta worry about shit.
What the hell? You look like a little ass kid.
Who, me?
Yeah.
¿Qué le va a decir a los sobrinos? Tío, ¿por qué no traes feria, tío?
Hey, you know I'm gonna pay his future bike's over there, bro.
His future wife?
Harley Davidson's over there.
Are you recording?
Yeah, bro. Look how crispy this bitch is. Look how crispy this is. Alright, let's go to the gas station over there.
No fucking way.
Damn, look, gas was $3.49, $3.07. What's it gonna be in the future? I don't know. We gonna see.
Hey.
Mira, brother.
That's a nice bike. I think those bikes are nice.
That's gonna be the reason that our ass is good.
Really should have buzzed.
The fucking scat pack shut it down.
What do you
Doing
mean?
burnouts. And then
No,
he hit someone's mom's car and then he pulled out a gun.
What do you mean you fucking pulled out a gun?
Yeah, pulled out a gun. Nah, we don't need a night shot yet. It ain't that dark.
I am a night shot, bro.
Backpack, I still have one. I think one might be him. That middle one, Joanne, with the 400.
I'm on.
Dude, no way that's turbo.
It is. You can hear it. You hear that?
this
Try
thing
it.
is.
675. Street triple.
It's turbo or triple? That's fucking crazy, man. Yeah, I can hear you as soon as you turn over there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It's kind of loud. Hey, location, Raising Cane's.
This one, right? But dude, there's
Oh, no. My fucking
That's just sick for sure. Sounds unique.
That sound is part of the reason I bought it.
Yeah, man.
Like, man.
What was it, a blow off valve?
Yeah, blow off valve.
You guys didn't meet up with the crew there?
Big lot?
Yeah.
There you go. I don't give a fuck.
I think these guys are going there too.
Dude, is that a 10?
Yeah. I think fucking clean.
You just got it.
Huh?
You just get it?
Last year. She's a couple months old.
Yeah, she's nice. Nice as I love that
She's 30
color.
right now.
Damn. You know,
Now this, everything.
you know, I should have just got the bike instead of the house.
He said what?
Shit high as hell though.
Don't mind the mirror. I did that shit today. That shit pissed me off.
Get it again, get it again. So around this point here, I didn't notice that the wire for my camcorder wasn't a proper wire. I had ordered this up beforehand because I knew of this issue. I just seemed to get video footage. I didn't know the audio wasn't going to work. So we're just here chilling around, hanging out, you know, still just recording around 11:30 at night. So the rest of the night we went around and just enjoyed ourselves, and you might not hear audio, so yeah, have fun listening to some of this non-copyrighted music. Amrion. What are you doing, Amrion? Marshall. Marshall. Yo, where we going today, bro?
We're going to the airport, bro.
You leaving us, huh?
Yeah. I miss you guys.
Alright.
We're going to Japan, bro.
We are not going to Japan. Yeah, that's facts.
Don't worry, bro. I'm just going to the other side of the country, bro. We flying domestic here.
Dude, I think my wallet's in my car.
Huh?
I said, I think my wallet is in my car.
Your wallet?
So I'm still having issues with the cable. I still haven't got it yet due to the weather. And I'm just over here recording, you know, as we're about to take my cousin out to his flight in Indianapolis. And we're going to go on our way to go meet up our boy Alejandro at his place because he was down to just go have breakfast with us and go drop him off. And
I think it was like 28. What the fuck? 28 pounds.
Who the fuck is that?
Oh, that's my passport.
Oh, is that you?
No way, that's
Dude,
you?
that is him.
Yeah, that's him.
Brother, look at this. He doesn't
You
even,
lost some weight, bro.
he don't even look the same. Seen something.
Bro, they got this dude stuck.
Hey, you got it different, bro.
Let me say something.
Shit got expensive real quick. Is what happened.
Wait. I'm gonna stop for gas. Do you guys want like McDonald's or some bullshit like that? Or are we gonna stop at
Let's not Waffle House, bro.
Because what time is it?
We got time. We got time, bro.
got time.
We got time.
I gotta be there by like 10:30, dude.
So right around here, we're just telling bro, have a safe trip and everything. We're just, you know, gonna miss him. He's gonna be gone for around almost a month, and telling him where to go. Hopefully, he doesn't get lost, and just to keep safe out there. And damn, sucks to see him grow so fast, man. Man, he just grew his wings, and
Alright, chat. You guys see me play Dragon Ball Legends. Yes! Yes! You get to see me play Dragon Ball Legends. Mercenary Tau. Shut up. I'm recording my gameplay.
What do you know about that?
There's the geek bar.
The geeking.
I'm recording myself play Dragon Ball Legends.
You know. What
POV, what she says.
It wasn't even necessary, bro.
And we're not even fucking valid, brother. This is what peak male performance looks like.